find your tent. 2,
Get the rod.
get the rod out. 3,
Find the straps.
find the straps.
You missed the strap here.
Oh, sorry. Uh-oh, I missed. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's just do one more. Then set up your tent. Then move all your items inside
And then fall asleep.
and prepare to sleep.
You don't need to eat.
Oh,
You
eat
don't need to
first.
clean.
Eat first and then clean and then sleep.
And then party.
And then fart.
Party.
Then party. First eat, then clean, then what? Party?
No
And
shower.
then tell scary stories and then
And fall asleep in between.
Yeah. Look at the stars.